In today's Travel Tuesday Q&A, we're going to talk about a Southwest LUV voucher. What is it and what are the best ways to use it? So a Southwest LUV voucher is something you get from Southwest Airlines after you've incurred some kind of a problem with them. The flight's been delayed or canceled, you've had some sort of luggage issue, or maybe you volunteered to take a later flight because they overbooked, for example. So they print out this boarding pass looking voucher, which is basically a credit that you can use with Southwest for a future flight. Now, you may have heard about Southwest travel credits. Those are a little different, and that is a credit that you get if you purchased their cheapest one, a getaway flight, and then you make a change or you cancel, and you end up with a travel credit. Travel credits expire within 1 year from your booking date and can only be used by the person they're associated with. LUV vouchers also expire 1 year from the date of issue, but you can use them to book anyone. And with a LUV voucher, you actually have to have the physical piece of paper and the voucher number itself in order to redeem them. You only need the number to redeem it when you're booking online, but you don't want to lose that number or you won't be able to use it. So a lot of people have ended up with LUV vouchers after Southwest has had multiple disruptions over the last few months, and on the order of 150 to 250 LUV vouchers. I've heard of people getting more in some cases. That seems to be the average at the moment. So what are the best ways to use these? So because we teach people in the Families Fly Free membership to always book in points, we don't love these because you can't combine them with points, unfortunately. What we recommend is that you use them to at least book a one-way flight. So you can get rid of these credits by at least booking one way, and then you can use points to book your return, and then hopefully your whole flight is still free. And if you end up, if your flight is less than the amount of your LUV voucher, you can still use up the rest of that credit, but you have to have that voucher number. And there is a way you can check your Southwest. You go to the Check Travel Funds area of their website online, and you can see how much of a credit you have left. But remember, it does have an expiration date. And as a member of Families Fly Free, if you get caught up in these disruptions, we do have a secret Southwest phone number that has saved many a member and enabled them to be one of the first to be able to rebook a flight if their flight is canceled and get ahead of everyone else that's waiting on the phone for hours and hours trying to rebook. So this actually enables them to get a quick flight instead of being delayed for days. And it allows you just to bypass that hours-long wait and get directly to a usually very helpful Southwest person. And we also keep you updated when these things happen about how to ask for a LUV voucher, when you should ask for it. If you don't ask for it at the right time, what can you do later to be compensated? And we even tell you how much you should be expecting based on what is happening with the current disruption. So we